Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna discuss or learn how to make and deliver a good presentation. Effective oral and multimodal presentations. Speak with confidence. So let's begin. Lessons outline. Types of presentations. Types of presentation: informative, storytelling, recounts, persuasive. Informative means you are sharing some information through the presentation, and in storytelling it means you are sharing story in the beginning, in the middle, and the end of the presentation. Recounts means sharing your personal experiences, and persuasive means to convince others with the presentation. Okay, so these are the types of presentations. Planning your presentation, idea, organization, and structuring. Delivering your presentation, we must keep in mind language, speak clearly, eye contact, body language, engage with others, make a interactive body language. They can help us tell a story. Presentations are one of the many powerful ways to communicate. They can help us to tell a story, explain a topic, or persuade others. Okay, let's move ahead. Learning outcomes. Confidently plan, create, rehearse, and deliver engaging presentations. Understand the importance of delivery techniques such as language, visuals, and body language. Now we're gonna discuss types of presentations. Let's start by exploring the different types of presentations. These are some examples. So let's discuss them one by one. So let's begin with informative presentations. These presentations give information and facts about a specific topic, for example an animal or a destination. Example, the life cycle of a butterfly. Good morning everyone, today we will learn about butterflies. They go through a process called metamorphosis. Starting as tiny eggs, they turn into caterpillars. After a rest in a cozy cocoon, they emerge as beautiful butterflies. Then here comes storytelling. Presentations involve sharing a story with a beginning, middle, and end. You could tell a fictional story or even a personal experience. Example, the adventures of Pixie the cat. Today's story is about Pixie, a playful and brave cat. When her friend Tabby got lost, Pixie went on an adventure through the neighborhood to find her. She met a scary pit bull and made new friends on the way. It's a story of courage and friendship. Now move to the event recounts presentations. Event recounts retail personal experiences. This can be a fun trip or a special event. They usually include feelings about the event. For example, our fantastic school fair. It was a day filled with rides, games, and lots of laughter. Went on exciting rides, playing fun games, and watched amazing performances. When the sun set, we even had fireworks. It was a day of pure joy for everyone. Now comes to persuasive presentations. These presentations aim to convince others to agree with your point of view. For example, to convince friends to join a club or to choose a certain book to read. Example, why our school needs a garden. I think we should have a garden at our school. It will help students develop gardening skills, passions, and perseverance. We can all work together to make it really cool and special. Let's talk to our teachers and make it happen. Planning a presentations. Here are two key things to focus on when planning a presentation. Topic and idea organization. Structuring your presentation. Topic and idea organization. Step 1. Choose a topic. Think about what you want to present. Pick something you are passionate about or curious to learn more about. टॉपिक एंड आइडिया ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में स्टेप 2 देखते हैं. ऑर्गेनाइज योर आइडियाज. Plan out the main points you want to cover. Think about how to start, what to include in the middle, and how to wrap it up. Structuring your presentation. A presentation with an introduction, body, and conclusion provides clarify for your audience, enhances understanding, and helps them remember key information. A presentation must have introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction. Start with a strong opening to grab your audience's attention. You could use a surprising fact or a question. One day, Lily was wandering through the enchanted forest when she stumbled upon a mysterious treasure chest. What could be inside? What kind of presentation do you think this is? Here, storytelling presentation is this? I mean to say, this is a storytelling presentation. Okay, now let's move ahead. Body. By supporting our community library, you are not just donating books, you are opening doors to endless possibilities for young minds. Reading helps students secure better jobs in the future and contribute more to their communities. Present body. Present your main points clearly and in order. Use facts, examples, and details to support each point. Remember to use objective language. That means sticking to the facts. What kind of presentation do you think? This is a persuasive presentation. Okay. Conclusion. Summarize your main points and with a memorable closing statement. This could be a call to action, a provoking question, or a final inspiring thought. From the mighty T-Rex to the soaring pterodactyl dinosaurs roamed the earth millions of years ago. Their fossils are like ancient puzzles that help us piece together their stories. There will be more of them to discover in the future as long as we keep on exploring. This is a type of informative presentation. Okay, rehearsing your presentation. Visual aids include pictures, diagrams, or even short videos to help explain your points. Rehearse your presentation several times. This will help you become more comfortable with the content and your delivery. Practice delivering your presentation. Speak clearly and steadily. Look at your audience while speaking. Show confidence with body language. Here's a recap. You have learned how to plan, create, rehearse, and deliver structured presentations. Assignment: create your own presentation. Choose a topic, plan, gather visuals, create, practice. Assessment: DM me your presentations, guys. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.